So guys, welcome back once again. In this video I'm going to take one for average 4 and another array for average 5. Okay, so I'm renaming this with average 4 because all the quantity represent average 4. Great. Now I will create one more list for average 5. Okay, and I will change all the values on the basis of average 5, and here the value will be vary from 5 to 0, okay, or 0 to 5, vice versa. So this is actually the my output, and inside a value section controller I will add condition. If it is average 4, then we will add average 4 value. If it is average 5, then we will add average 5 value. Okay, so I will copy and paste from calculation controller. Same variable I'm going to take in value selection. So with the help of this keyword I will validate, and I will set the value controller dot avg type. I forgot to save the previous file, so I need to save that, then it will affect. So save and come back to calculation, avg type self dot avg type. Now I will copy and paste the same line into another one. That's great. Now open your value selection controller and here validate on the basis of conditions. If it is average 4, then put the average 4 point. If it is average 5, then put the average 5 point, like that. And these kind of validation we will use for every entry, okay, whatever we are inserting it to that. Great. Now at the end you have done with it. So that is the complete array on the basis of conditions, is grade or hours, like that. Okay, now here I will format my GPA up to 2 decimal digit. So this will be the actual GPA. Okay, and GPA string. That's great. Now build and run. It's giving some error. Oh, I forgot to put equal in between that. And you will clearly understand if you watch my all the video of this series. Okay, this is very useful if you are a beginner. And in this complete tutorial I have covered many things, like how you can use table view, how you can use table view inside any controller view or inside any different view. So like that, there are lots of topic, and how you can insert data into the SQLite database. So you need to watch the complete series, then you can be the professional in that. I'm sure, and after watching that, after learning that, you will be the professional. So all the functionality is happening into this series as well. So here you seen the result already. My next step is take the footer. Okay, inside the footer we will set result of this calculation. Okay, so I will create one more cell, and inside cell I will take one label. Actually I will delete that, and button also delete, and inside that take one label which will represent the result. Great. Drag and drop. Set the constraint as usual. Now this is my label. Change the font style as per our standard style, which is Vardhana. That's cool. Open calculation controller and assign the reference. Result description. Table. That's cool. Assign the cell identifier. Calculation. I change the old one. Okay. Now view for footer. That is the different function of delegate. Okay. Cell equals table view dot dq, and here we will pass that. Great. And build, run, and we'll see the output. It's not happening. Here we have to give the height, so we pass the height as 100. So here you can see output is here. Okay, so next step we have to validate. We have to set the data to this label according to our calculation. First of all, I'm making the container background as white. And I'm resetting the constraint center and right left. Okay, now go back to your calculation container, and here you can see the output as usual. Now we will create, actually we have already one function, so we will create that result string. Okay, what will be the result? We will set to this string. Okay, and the string will be optional. Self dot result string equals message, and self dot table view dot reload data. It means after setting that string we are reloading that. Okay, if result string double equals to nil, then height will be 0. Okay, else it will remain same. Cell dot result description dot text equals result string. So now build and run. Type name, semester, fill all the details, maths hour, grade, click on calculate. So here you can see result in front of you. So guys, I think it's working as expected. Now we will check with multiple rows. This is for physics and this is for chemistry. Hour 1, grade B positive, and now click on calculate. So here you can see the complete GPA. So guys, it is working as expected. In upcoming video we are going to use database and we are going to store this information in our database. So keep watching that video and we continue with this tutorial. Okay, so have a great time, wonderful day. Thank you so much.